living area, like it's very spacious, gorgeous, beautiful. That is kitchenette area, like you guys can see. Oh my god, look at this, guys. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I'm Anmita Jagdish and today we are here at Elegant Tranquility, which is located in Ara Nagar for a sample flat tour. Well, we are going to get into a lot more in detail about this project. But before that, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer and house developer directly, giving you a bottom price rate. Unlike other current listing apps, if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, which results in lot of cost. But here in Housey, listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream house directly with the developer through Housey. So guys, now let's look into the project overview of Elegant Tranquility by Elegant Developers. Land parcel is 3.50 acres, number of towers is 5, story is 7 floors, and location near Ara Nagar temple, which is Raja Rajeshwari Nagar. Variance is 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK. Connectivity is Vijayanagar Metro Station in 3.4 kilometers, Mysore Road in 3 kilometers, Raja Rajeshwari Temple in 1 kilometer and Banshankari in 6 kilometers. Amenities are gym, swimming pool, clubs, indoor games, library, ATM, jogging track, multiple amenity courts. So guys, now we are standing outside the 3 BHK sample flat tour of Elegant Tranquility. Come, let's have a look at it. Like you guys enter, as soon as you enter, you have this living area, like it's very spacious, gorgeous, beautiful, right? Now exactly opposite to that we have this TV space. It's easily, the space is gorgeous. I mean, it's easily fit in, all the stuffs can easily fit in, right? Now moving on, exactly to the dining hall, right next to the living hall. Now dining hall is, again, as you guys observe, it's too gorgeous, spacious, must say, easily 9 to 10 people can fit in. Now left side to that you have this storage space, you can call this as, right? It's decent amount of space. Now moving on, I will take you to the puja room. I wanted to take you guys to the balcony, but before that I thought let me show you the puja room. Again, this is very gorgeous, guys. It's spacious, it's decent amount of space, right? Now moving on, I'll be taking you guys to the balcony of the room. Like I guys tell you, balconies are always the favorite part of the house because you know, you guys chill, sit, spend some time, right? Like you guys can see, it's spacious, it's very it has gorgeous view, it has beautiful view, must say. Now after the balcony, let me take you to the most important part of you know, ladies specific, must say, that is kitchenette area. Like you guys can see, it is decent amount of space, as I told you. Right next to it, it has cabinets, it's gorgeous, spacious again. Now exactly right side to that we have this utility area. Must say, utility area is pretty spacious because you guys can see exactly opposite to that you have this big space for the utility area, right? Now moving on to the, again, fun part of the house, that is bedrooms. Now I'll be taking you guys to the number one bedroom of the house, but before that let me take you to the common washroom of the house. Again, like I told you, it is high-end sanitary, it is anti-slippery tails, right? Now from here I'll be taking you to the bedroom, but before that we have this wash basin space here, right? It's decent amount, it's classic, it's elegant. I think it's beautiful. I think this is my favorite part of the place. And now moving on to the bedroom, as soon as you enter you will be getting this restroom here, your toilet, and that is, again guys, it's high-end sanitary and it is anti-slippery tail, right? Now moving on to the room of the house. So as soon as you guys enter, you can see this gorgeous space. It also have this beautiful view, right? It has this big window, and exactly opposite to that we have this cupboard area. Like you guys can see, it's spacious, pretty spacious, must say. right? It is a decent amount of space to stuff in all the stuffs you want, right? Now come on, let me take you to the kids room of the house. This is fun part because every flat has its unique designs when it comes to kids, and now I'm going to take you guys to look into this kids space of the house. Now can you guys see this? It's spacious. I mean, the bed space is amazing. Exactly opposite to that, you have this cupboard space. Easily all your kids stuffs can store in. Now exactly right side to that, we have this study table area, right? We have this cabinets as well for your books or whatnot, right? Now after this, let me take you to the master bedroom of the house. Now before taking you to the master bedroom of the house, let me tell you what does Housey actually does for us. So in Housey, we give you actual sample tours. In Housey, we give you exact location tours. We also tell you the pros and cons of every project. After this, we give you down payment details and also EMI options, giving you inclusive pricing. Now, after all this, also we give you 360-degree virtual tours of every project. Now, after all this, if you still like the project, then by just 3 simple clicks, you can book a free site visit by clicking the link given in the description below. Right? Now come on, let me take you to the master bedroom of the house, the awaited moment. Oh my god, look at this, guys. As soon as you enter, you have this spacious, gorgeous, elegant, high fashion area that they've given. This is the bed space. Exactly right side to that, you have this cabinet space. Now again, exactly left side to that as well, you have this cupboard space. You can easily store in all your stuffs. It's decent amount, it's gorgeous, right? Now you have this little cute space, I felt, for your makeup glam room kind, right? Now exactly opposite to that, we have the TV space as well. Now let me take you to the balcony of the bedroom. Again, like I tell you, balconies are always exciting, right? Now this is the balcony of the master bedroom. It's decent amount of space. Like I told you, guys can come, chill, spend your evenings, mornings and whatnot, right? It has gorgeous view, beautiful view, must say. And again, guys, it's damn spacious. Now after the balcony, let me take you to the toiletry area of the room, right? Now as soon as you guys enter, it is high-end sanitary. Again, telling you guys, now it is again anti-slippery tails. If you guys observe, that is the most important thing while choosing a house, and this flat has got it, right? So guys, now if you like this project, if you guys want to book your free site visit, then you can go register yourselves in housey.com. If you guys want to download e-brochure of this project, then click on the link given in the description below. And also, if you guys have any positive, negative comments or thoughts about this project, please feel free to share them in the comment section so we get to know the strength and weakness about this project, right? Now, before going, please don't forget to subscribe yourself into housey.com so you get more updates and details about the next upcoming projects. So till then, take care. So everyone, this was 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Tranquility located in Rajarajeshwari Nagar by Elegant Groups.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.